My dear, that time which may be there of worshiping God, God may not value it alone. He may not value it alone. Because even any other person would be able to do it. But he can leave their work for you to do. That's when God sits there on his throne, saying, let me see today. The other time he worshipped me because he came to me with minus any other voice. Today let me see of work and me what is. Today let me test her of me and the party. Then you say that today there is rejoicing. There is slaughtered our cow we are going to eat. Then you say God first did see the year, let me go and feed. The party becomes a goal. It pleases your heart. Then the next day you wake up and say that Lord, you're worthy. You start worshiping him that you love. You start worshiping him. God sits on his throne. And as who is the Lord that is meaning? Is it the other party or me? Listen, someone saying that you but when there were two voices, you chose a voice of the party. You chose a voice of the job. They had called you for a funeral. There was a function and you called you for and you were just here saying that Lord, you're worthy. The God who is invisible. Where you were, you left him here. And when you are worshiping, those two voices are inside of you. Now if he stands and says that get out of my sight, because he speaks in Matthew 15:8. Worship me for nothing. Their hearts are far away from you. There isn't any bowing down in your heart. That every time you say that you're worthy, there's someone else who is worthy. That when he speaks you don't reply. And whenever you say that you're worthy, the one in which you cannot respond in any word, the one who is worthy. Is the language okay?
Yongera mu maaso tuwulire. Mu Danieli essula y'okusatu mwe tuli.
Tuli mu Danieli 3.
Twatandise n'olunyiriri lw'e-14. Twebaza Katonda nti atuwadde ekisa.
Thank God that he has given us a grace.
Ngenda mu maaso.
Tuli mu Danieli 3. Tugenze ku lw'e-16. Sadraki, Mesaki ne Abedunego ne baddamu ne bagamba kabaka nti Ani Nebukadduneeza, tekitugwanira kukuddamu mu kigambo ekyo. Bwe kinaba bwe kityo, Katonda waffe gwe tuweereza ayinza okutuwonya mu mikono mu kikomye ekyaka n'omuliro, era n'atuwonya mu mukono gwo, ayi kabaka. Naye bwe kitabe bwe kityo, tegeera ayi kabaka nga tetugenda kuweereza bakatonda bo, newankubadde okusinza ekifaananyi kya zaabu kye wayimiriza. Awo Nebukadduneeza n'alyoka yeetyumululira ddala, n'engeri y'amaaso ge n'ewaanisibwa eri Sadraki, Mesaki ne Abedunego.
Mukama omulungi yeebazibwe.
Praise the Lord.
Labayo nga waliwo eddoboozi n'ennanga bidongo byonna bikubye okubaako ky'osinza.
Any other instruments or voices that you may worship.
Naye mpulira abasajja bano.
But listen to this man. They have placed their furnace of fire. That if you fail to worship this idol, that fire is going to consume you all. They say that what come may, but you are not going to bow down before your man. We are not going to bow down before gold and silver that you place. Our bodies are not going to take us away.
Okwaka tekugenda tutwala.
Our bodies are not going to take
Kubanga
us.
ekifaananyi kino baakikola mu kifaananyi kya muntu.
Because this image was made in a
Ng'ate nga kiri mu ngeri ya ssente kijjudde gold.
and it was full of gold and other good
Kitegeeza
things.
kiriko engeri y'omubiri.
Meaning that there is some candles in
Kisobola
it.
okuleeta omubiri oba okwaka gy'oli.
It can bring manism in
Ate
you.
nga kiyina ssente kiri mu gold.
And it has money with a lot of gold.
Naye abasajja no bagamba tebijja kututwala.
But these three men say that they won't take us
Tebigenda
away.
kututwala.
They won't divert us.
Katonda ogenda kusigala ng'oli